With virtual faxing, users can quickly send and receive faxes without ever having to leave their desk. You'll learn how to configure fax boxes and settings now. Once you've signed in, click Settings to access the admin functions. The faxing settings are found by going to the Destinations drop-down menu and clicking Faxing. On screen, you'll see any fax boxes that are set up on your account. In the Type column, you can quickly determine which users have their own box and which are shared among users. Let's create a new fax box by clicking New Fax. First, create a name for the new fax box. It can be a user's name or a location such as copy room, reception, HR, and so on. The local extension field is an optional field and isn't required for fax usage. In the Email Faxes section, you'll add all users who can send and receive faxes from this fax box. Next, if you'd like the users to receive a copy of the fax file in their email confirmation, click this checkbox. Then, to personalize the outgoing fax header that will display on all outgoing faxes, type it here. For example, you could add your company or department name. Please do not check the Disable Inbound T38 box unless advised by support, as this could cause a disruption to your incoming fax service. The whitelist email address section is where you'll add any additional users that can send faxes from this fax box. They won't be able to receive incoming faxes though. This provides an added layer of security if you'll receive incoming faxes that contain sensitive or private information that shouldn't be shared with all the users of the box. Click the Add Email button and type the email address. Then, in the Permissions section, you'll delegate access to the user or users who will be responsible for this fax box. They will see this box when they access faxes in the user portal. Click Save to complete the new fax box setup. The box is now ready to use. To review an existing box's settings, click Edit. Then, you can view the email address that receives the faxes and adjust the settings such as having the fax file attached to the email or changing the outgoing fax header. You can also modify the permissions to allow others access to this fax inbox. They will then be able to access any faxes under their faxes option in their user portal too. If you make any changes, remember to click Save.